So guys, welcome back. If this is your first time here, happy new year. It's so beautiful having you around. Listen, 2021, it's amazing. It's gonna be it's going to be super promising. If this is your first time on this channel, you are so welcome because this is your girl Bella. Listen, this year is a new year, new vibing, new everything. Everything is gonna be amazing. Listen, if you wanna know or if you wanna listen or hear 3 things that you must do this 2021, then keep watching, guys. So guys, welcome back. Like I said, it's always beautiful having you around. Listen, this is 2021. You watching, if you made it through and right now you are watching this video, I'm telling you that you don't look like what you have been through in 2020. So listen, here are the 3 things that you need to do this year. This year is positive vibes only. Yeah, you heard me right. Positive vibes only. If you are watching me this year, you must be positive. Be positive. Go for your dreams. Face reality. Go for your dreams. Go for the things that make you happy. If you have anybody in your inner circle that is giving you some negative energy, sweeties, listen, you gotta cut them off. This year, positive vibes only. The next thing, which is the second thing that you should do or you must do, guys, is that you have to be happy. Happiness is free. You can't buy it. We have to laugh till we drop. So listen, it's not only about being happy, but expressing your emotions and who you are truly about is very important. If you feel like jumping, you better do that. If you feel like laughing, screaming, doing anything that you need to do or you want to do, you should do it. This is that year of new beginnings where you can do whatever you want to do without thinking that somebody's gonna judge you. Who even cares if they judge you for being who you really are? Guys, listen, it's going down this year. The third thing that you must do is you must go for your dreams. I'm telling you, you need to go for your dreams. There is this particular thing that you've always wanted to do, but you didn't want to do it, maybe because you were shy, maybe you thought you can't do it, you thought you were not up to the task. This is the year that you can do it, guys. Listen, if you wanted to go to school, you wanted to start a business, you wanted to just do something out of the norm, and everybody said, listen, you know what, you can't do it, you shouldn't do it. I am telling you that this year is that year. You need to go for it. It may sound crazy to other people, but if that's your vision, if that's what you've always wanted to do, go for it. You may have wanted to start a business. I say it over and over and over that if you want to do something, guys, this is that year that you need to do it. Together we can do it. I'm telling you, on this channel this year, we will do crazy things. They say you need to do this, you need to be that, you need to do this, don't do that. Listen, it's going to be crazy. Random videos here and there. We will be crazy. We will be goofy. There's this side of me who is like the crazy, goofy Bella. Like, guys, we will do that this year. Be you, be authentic. Don't care about whoever, whenever they will say it, because you are just being you. If you like this kind of content, guys, touch that subscribe button, touch the bell, click the like button, guys. I'm telling you, and all my old subscribers, I'm telling you, thank you so much for everything. You are my oldie and you are my goldie. This year, guys, we are gonna go off the roof. We will be goofy, we will be all over the place. So let's start it. Let's begin. Together we will build a community where we can do whatever we want to do whatever, however, whenever. Remember, this channel is about telling you watching that you are beautiful. This channel is for ladies who think, or people who think that they are not worthy. I'm telling you, I have been down that road and it's never fun, and it wasn't funny at all. This channel is telling you today, and I am standing here taller than ever before, telling you that, listen, you watching, you are beautiful. You watching, you are the beauty of Christ. And listen, don't let anybody tell you otherwise, because you are amazing, guys. Until next time, this is Bella. It's always a pleasure having you around.